Heather, I think, kailangan mo magpahinga pansamantala.
Pahinga? What do you mean by that, Dad?
Well, take a break. Go back to America.
Babalik mo na naman ako sa... No, Dad. Please. Please. Huwag mo na ako ipapakulong.
Hindi kita ipapakulong. You had to go to the hospital because you needed medical treatment.
Dahil ano? Iniisip mo na nabaliw ako?
Heather, you were stressed out dahil dun sa nangyari. It was very traumatic for you, for both of us.
Hindi.
Hindi na ako papayag ma-confine sa ospital na parang bilanggo. Ayoko na.